chat box with the HTML and CSS. So in the previous video, I show you this page complete. That's a navbar and it's a searching bar, and these are all the main options in the chat box you have before. And these all chat box. In this chat box, you have this, some kinds of options: your Facebook chats, your Instagram chats, your LinkedIn and Yelp and Twitter chats. And here, if you can send your message, then type your message here and then click on the send button. So let me show you this code. Now minimize this. And now first of all, in the nav bar, we add some images, like you can see there, images. And then next is a tag that shows you hyperlinks. In the back of these hyperlinks, I didn't give any backend page. It's just a static page. So next is here div tag that shows here div tag that shows a welcome admin here options, and then next notifications, and then last images notification, that these images. Okay, all I include in this nav bar is some images and then some hyperlink tags, and again next is my searching bar here. This is my searching bar, I include this. And then next is anything you want to write on the top of the page, you can write as well as like this. And so now next to the nav bar, I choose a UL tag. Now UL tag, it that's include in these are the four images. You can see their call icons, contact icons, messages icon, and these are setting icons. These are the images that I put in the UL tag. Okay, so now today's our main topic that we have to discuss our navbar designings and then our UL images designings. So here comes to the CSS page. Here our CSS page. So first of all, body text line is justify. You can see all your our text is justify, and the background image, background color is white, and the color of text is black. So background here is no repeat. And then images, these are the image tag here. These are the image tags. Floor left, height 27 pixels, and the width is same as height 27 pixels, and the margin left 0.7. Margin left means that left from the beginner's page, starting page, and the margin top and border radius. Okay, so border radius means that all these pictures are saved in a some height and width box that have a border radius 10%, and it doesn't shows like it as a transparent. So next move to the now next move to the containers. This is the container here. This is complete box here. In this box you can see there's some types of options: messages, complete, saved, deleted, and then messages. These are the options here, and the chat with Wix and Porter. Here is two, and one is sender, another one is receiver. Okay, All these chats are included in someone like containers, and now it's containers like we add some three columns, first column, second columns and third columns. So let me show you how we add some columns. First column is here. It includes some messages, complete, saved and deleted, and the second columns include messages, and these are some JavaScript functions. A button on click, just a simple function is here I used on a button. Here ID drop down, class drop down, content. Here drop down, my drop down is all chats, and it includes some Facebook options like you can see Insta, LinkedIn and Yelp and Twitter. This is drop down button. I click on this and it shows some other options, and these are hyperlink options, but I didn't give their backend page, so it's just a static page here. So now first column and second columns. Now move to the CSS of both of the columns. So let's have a let me show you this ID and this drop down button, and here is column 2 and here is column 1. Now come to the CSS page, and here I show you there is column. There are the three columns, and all three columns have some flexes, height, paddings, border style, border color and border shadow. But now next move to the column 1. This column includes all three columns styling, and column 1 only column 1 styling includes, and flex is 8.33% and height is 500 pixels, and padding means a uh, space between the lines and into the box, and margin left means left from the columns, and the background colors is as transparent, text align, center, and border style solid. Now here you can see, and next move to the column 2, same as but some little difference. Flex is 23 pixels because here over column 1 we include a 8.33%. Here padding, same padding again, border colors same, shadow same, and colors of text is always same, and text line is left. Here you can see there's all line options, and the name of participants are on the left side. And containers, the containers in which include the three columns are displayed as like a flex. So next type is a UL list, means that the class name, the person name, the person images, and the person if status, if that person is online or offline. Okay, so to the next video I show you how I made third columns, and in this third columns how we create this border of image and header, and this text, sending some text, and this text area and then click button. So I hope you understand this video and enjoy. So let's move to the next video.